Doodle Dan was walking down the lane. Sunshine sparkles after rain. He saw a door so small and round. Tiny purrs, the only sound. Meow, 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 the kittens sing. Doodle Dan's heart starts to ring. He opens wide that little door, and love comes tumbling to the floor. 5 small kittens jump and play, rolling, tumbling all the way. Dan brings milk in tiny bowls, happy hearts and furry souls. Meow, 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 the kittens sing. Doodle Dan laughs at everything. He claps his hands and spins around. Softest friends he's ever found. They nap together, curled in light, dreams of yarn and stars so bright. When moonlight peeks across the floor, Dan whispers,